You've seen the headlines. You've been told that coding and prompt engineering are your only tickets to a six-figure AI income. They're wrong. We're about to pull back the curtain on the dark horse skills that are generating massive incomes in surprising fields, and look, those are absolutely valid, high-paying paths. Companies are waking up to the fact that they don't just need more coders. Recent analyses from labor analytics firms show that jobs requiring even one AI skill can offer a significant salary premium, often around 25%. The first, and maybe the most accessible, dark horse skill isn't technical at all. It's the strategic use of AI in a field you already know. We're calling it AI-augmented domain expertise. This flips the whole learn to code mantra on its head. Instead of ditching your career in law, design, or marketing to become a techie, you double down on what you know and use AI as a force multiplier. The idea is simple. An expert in a specific field who also knows how to use AI is way more valuable and rare than a pure AI technician who doesn't know the industry. Why is this a dark horse? Because everyone is talking about job replacement, not job augmentation. Headlines scream about AI coming for your job, but on the ground, AI is creating a new, elite tier of professionals inside those same jobs. These are the people who don't just do the work, they direct AI to handle the tedious parts, freeing them up to focus on strategy, creativity, and high-value decisions. That's where the money is. Let's make this real. Take the legal field. For decades, the grunt work for a junior lawyer was endless document review, sifting through thousands of pages for one relevant clause. Now, AI tools can do this with superhuman speed. Recent reports suggest that a significant portion of routine legal tasks, like document review and research, can be automated with AI. The result? The market isn't just firing junior lawyers. It's desperately looking for lawyers who know how to manage these AI tools. Recent legal industry reports show that attorneys with AI skills can command a salary premium of up to 40% over their peers. The advertised salary for a lawyer with these skills can climb well over $175,000, compared to a national average in the $145,000 range. These aren't AI programmers, they're lawyers who have become AI operators in their own field. New roles like AI compliance officer are emerging with salaries between $80,000 and $140,000. This pattern is showing up in every knowledge-based industry. Think about graphic design. The story is that tools like Midjourney are making designers obsolete. The reality? They're creating a new role, the AI art director. A skilled designer who masters prompting, image curation, and AI workflows can now produce creative campaigns at a scale that used to be impossible. They aren't just generating images, they are guiding the AI and applying their deep understanding of brand identity and storytelling to the final product. An AI can't grasp a client's Q3 marketing goals. A human expert can. In sales and marketing, the AI-augmented pro is using AI to analyze customer behavior and personalize outreach at scale. They can feed call transcripts into an AI to find common objections and instantly generate tailored responses. That's why we're seeing job postings in fields like sales and marketing with salaries pushing $140,000 when they require AI skills. The average salary for an AI business strategist is already hitting the $130,000. So, who is this for? For the beginner, you don't need a degree. Just focus on a high-demand industry like digital marketing. Learn the basics of that field while learning to apply free and low-cost AI tools to its main tasks. For the professional, you're in the driver's seat. You already have the domain knowledge. Your mission is to get AI literate, fast. Pinpoint the top 3 most repetitive tasks in your job. For the entrepreneur, this is your secret to scaling. You can now build a lean business by using AI for tasks that once required multiple employees. You can start a marketing agency where one AI-augmented strategist does the work of 5. Your action plan. Identify your niche. Pick a specific industry. If you're in one, great. If not, choose one with a high demand for efficiency, like digital marketing, finance, or healthcare. Become an AI tool master. For your niche, go to product directories and search for your industry AI tools. For design, it's mastering the Adobe Firefly suite. For sales, It's exploring AI-powered CRMs. Build a portfolio project. This is non-negotiable. Document your process. For example, if you're in marketing, create a full campaign for a fake product using AI for research, content, and ad copy. This is the fastest path to a six-figure income because you're leveraging knowledge you already have. You're not changing careers, you're upgrading your career to a higher paid tier. Section 2. The AI Artisan. Custom AI Model Training and Fine-Tuning. Our second dark horse skill goes a step beyond just using off-the-shelf AI. It's about shaping and customizing them. This is the skill of custom AI model training and fine-tuning. If using ChatGPT is like driving a factory car, fine-tuning is like being the custom mechanic who can soup up the engine for a specific racetrack. You're not building the car from scratch, but you're modifying it to perform a highly specialized task better than anyone else's car can. This skill is a dark horse, because while everyone is calling themselves a prompt engineer, the market is getting crowded. The number of people who can take a base model, like one from OpenAI or an open-source model like Llama, and fine-tune it with custom data is incredibly small. This is where real enterprise value and exponential income is being made. What does this mean in practice? A standard has a generic, helpful but boring personality. But what if a company wants an AI that writes in their exact, witty brand voice? That's where fine-tuning comes in. It's the process of taking a pre-trained model and training it more on a smaller, specific dataset. Feed it a company's past blog posts, and you create a brand voice AI. Feed it a law firm's case files, and you create a specialized legal assistant AI. The income potential here is huge because you're creating a unique, proprietary asset for a company. Lead roles for specialists in custom AI model training often command salaries in the $180,000 to $220,000 range, with top-tier talent earning even more. Freelancers and consultants offering this service are building lucrative businesses. There's a growing market for experts who can train AI models on everything from real estate to statistics, with full-time AI tutor salaries ranging from $90,000 to $200,000. The return on investment for a business is massive. Imagine a company with a 50-person support team. They could spend months training new hires. Or they could hire a fine-tuning specialist to create a custom AI that answers 80% of queries instantly and perfectly on brand. So, who is this for? For the beginner, this might sound scary, but the barrier to entry is lower than you think. Start with no-code or low-code fine-tuning platforms. Try a personal project, like fine-tuning a small model on your own emails to create a bot that replies in your style. For the professional, especially developers and data analysts, you are perfectly positioned. You already get data and APIs. Learning fine-tuning frameworks is a natural next step. Skills in machine learning frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow carry significant salary premiums. For the entrepreneur, this is a goldmine. You can build a business around custom AI for X, where X is an industry you know well. Custom AI for dental practices. Learn the fundamentals of fine-tuning. Start with resources from companies like OpenAI and Hugging Face, which have detailed guides on how to fine-tune their models. Pick your playground. Tools start with accessible tools. Use the OpenAI API for fine-tuning. Explore platforms like Hugging Face, which has tools like AutoTrain that let you fine-tune with a few clicks. Execute a proof of voice project. Pick a public figure or a brand with a distinct voice. Gather a dataset of their writing. Clean it up, then use it to fine-tune a model. Document everything to show you can create a unique, valuable AI asset. The demand for AI generalists is fading. The demand for AI specialists is exploding. Becoming an AI artisan is one of the most direct paths to an exponential income. Alright, we're covering some dense but really valuable stuff here. If you're feeling a mix of excitement and maybe a little bit of, whoa, that's a lot, that's completely normal. The key is taking small, consistent steps. To help with that, I've put together a free resource for you. It's a Dark Horse AI Skill Finder quiz. In about 90 seconds, it'll look at your background and recommend which of these skills is the best fit for you to start with. It will also give you the top 3 tools and a project idea to get you going. It's totally free, and it's designed to turn this video into a personal action plan. The link is right at the top of the description. Just pause for a second, click the link, and find your path. It's a great way to make sure you're not just watching, but actually building your future. Now, let's get into our third dark horse skill, which takes prompting to a whole new level. Section 3. The AI Conductor, Advanced Multimodal Prompting. The basic prompting is like talking to one AI. Our third dark horse skill, Advanced Multimodal Prompting, is like conducting an entire orchestra of them. It's the skill of weaving together text, images, audio, and even video into a single, complex project. This is a dark horse because most people are still stuck on text-to-image. The AI Conductor, however, is playing a different game. They think in systems. They start with a text prompt to generate a product concept, feed that image into another AI to create a 3D model, use a third AI to write a voiceover script, a fourth to compose background music, and a fifth to animate it all into a final video ad. This isn't just a skill, it's a new form of creative production. It's about knowing the unique talents of different AI models and chaining them together in a workflow to create something no single model could do alone. The income potential here is shifting from simple freelance gigs to high-value production and strategy roles. We're seeing the rise of the generative AI content creator and AI art director. Experts who can create custom workflows using multimodal models can see incomes well over $200,000. Because they can deliver a finished commercial or product video in a fraction of the time and cost of a traditional studio. Imagine a small business launching a new product. In the past, they'd need a photographer, videographer, scriptwriter, and video editor. A skilled AI conductor can deliver a high-quality animated ad in a few days for a fraction of that, using a suite of tools like Midjourney for concept art, Runway for video, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. This person isn't just a prompter, they are a one-person digital production house. So, who is this for? For the beginner, this is the most fun skill to learn. Start by mastering one thing first. Pick text-to-image, text-to-video, or text-to-audio. Spend a month going deep on one tool like Midjourney or Runway. For the professional, creatives, marketers, project managers, you already think in campaigns. This is a natural extension of your skills. Start mapping your current creative workflows to AI-driven ones. For the entrepreneur, you could launch a generative video agency for small businesses. Freelance AI consultants are already charging $150 to $300 an hour or more for this kind of work. Your action plan. And master your primary instrument. Choose one tool and go deep. If it's Midjourney, learn its parameters. If it's Runway, master its camera controls. Learn to chain models. Once you're confident, start your first chain. ChatGPT, generate 10 concepts for a new product. Midjourney, create product shots for the best concept. 11 Labs, write a 15-second ad script and generate a voiceover. Canva or CapCut, combine the images and voiceover into a simple video ad. Build a one-day production case study. Challenge yourself to create a professional-looking asset in a single day. A fake movie trailer, a product launch video, whatever. Document your workflow. The AI Conductor is the future of creative work. They are the systems thinkers who can orchestrate complex AI tools to create something new and valuable. Section 4. The AI Architect, Business Strategy and Automation. Our fourth dark horse role is less about hands-on creation and more about high-level strategy, the AI business strategist or AI consultant. This is the person who walks into a company, not to write code, but to redesign its operations around AI. They see the entire blueprint of a business, marketing, sales, operations, and know exactly where to plug in AI to boost efficiency. This might be the ultimate dark horse because it requires the least technical execution but the most strategic vision. The world is full of companies hearing the AI hype but having no idea what to do. They're asking, should we use AI? Which tools? What's the ROI? The AI strategist has the answers. This role is exploding in value. The average salary for an AI consultant in the US is well over $100,000, with senior strategists easily commanding $150,000 to $200,000 or more. Independent AI consultants can do even better, with hourly rates from $150 to over $300. Project-based fees for large-scale AI integration plans can be substantial. The demand is fueled by a simple fact. A good AI strategy can save or make a company millions. What does this look like? An AI strategist might see that a sales team spends 40% of its time on manual data entry. They would then design an automated system using AI tools to handle those tasks, freeing up the team to close deals. Another example, they might work with a marketing team to create an AI content engine. They'd help fine-tune a custom language model on the brand's voice and set up workflows to draft blog posts and social media updates. So, who is this for? For the beginner, this path is about being the problem solver first. Focus on one business function, like sales automation. Use no-code platforms like Zapier or Make to learn the logic of building workflows. For the professional, managers, analysts, operations specialists, you're in a prime position. You already know your business's pain points. Your job is to learn the capabilities of modern AI. For the entrepreneur, this is the business model. Position yourself as an AI consultant, but get specific. Be the AI automation expert for plumbing companies. Your action plan. Become a student of business problems. Before you touch an AI tool, learn to spot inefficiencies. Look for words like bottleneck, manual data entry, and time-consuming. Master the art of the possible. Your job is to know what AI can do. Subscribe to AI business newsletters. Watch product demos constantly. Create a personal file of AI case studies. Build a strategic audit portfolio piece. Pick a well-known company. Analyze their operations. Write up a detailed, professional proposal outlining the problem, your proposed solution, the tools you'd use, and the projected ROI. The AI architect is the ultimate translator, bridging the gap between high-tech and C-suite strategy. It's a role that demands critical thinking and communication, skills that will always be uniquely human. If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this kind of deep, strategic content is valuable. And if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start building your income with AI, make sure you subscribe to Wealth Saga and hit that notification bell. We release new videos every week with actionable strategies and deep dives into the hidden economies of new tech. Finally, I want to hear from you. In the comments below. I read every comment, and I'd love to offer some feedback to get you started. Let's build this future together.